What if mechanics were secretly cheering for certain motorcycles? What if there were hidden gems that deliver reliability, thrill, and fun all at once? Today, we reveal the 3 bikes they swear by and why riders everywhere are taking notice. Welcome to Ride Class. To every rider watching this video, thank you for clicking it. Your love for motorcycles brought you here, and today, we uncover 3 machines mechanics secretly recommend for performance, durability, and sheer enjoyment. The first motorcycle is the Honda CB500X. Known for its reliability and versatility, it has become a favorite for riders seeking adventure without constant maintenance headaches. Its design is sleek yet rugged. Tall windscreen, upright seating, and strong frame give it both comfort and commanding presence on any road. Adventure looks as good as it feels. Under the body beats a smooth parallel twin engine. Mechanics praise its durability and easy servicing. It delivers consistent power whether in city traffic or winding mountain roads. With adjustable suspension, ABS brakes, and user-friendly controls, this bike makes every ride confident and safe. Mechanics love it for being low maintenance yet highly capable on any terrain. Affordable for its class, it offers long-term value. Riders know they get adventure, reliability, and minimal upkeep. A bike that truly earns its praise behind the scenes. Next up is the Yamaha T07. Lightweight, agile, and fun, this sport bike combines performance and longevity in a way that makes mechanics quietly recommend it to all kinds of riders. Its naked sport look is aggressive yet approachable. Compact frame, sharp lines, and an iconic dual headlight make it a visual standout and perfect for urban and spirited rides alike. The parallel twin engine delivers smooth torque and thrilling acceleration. Mechanics love how reliable it is even under spirited riding, and minimal service requirements keep riders happy year after year. Priced reasonably for a sporty ride, it gives performance far beyond expectations. Owners enjoy a bike that is both exciting to ride and easy on maintenance, a rare combination in the sport segment. Finally, we have the KTM Duke 390. Small yet fierce, this naked bike impresses mechanics with its simplicity, durability, and thrilling performance. It's a hidden gem many riders underestimate. Sharp lines, minimalist style, and aggressive stance make it look much faster than it really is. Lightweight chassis and ergonomic seating offer fun rides in every situation. Advanced features like TFT display, ABS, and light but rigid frame make it fun and practical. It's perfect for riders seeking a high-performance yet low-maintenance motorcycle. Despite its performance, it remains affordable and efficient. Mechanics know that owners enjoy years of thrilling rides without expensive repairs, making it a secret favorite. Which of these 3 mechanics-approved motorcycles speaks to you? Honda CB500X for adventure, Yamaha T07 for sporty fun, or KTM Duke 390 for lightweight thrill? Let us know in the comments and imagine your next unforgettable ride. If this video inspired you, like, share, and subscribe for more expert recommendations and insider motorcycle secrets. Keep chasing your dreams, exploring the road, and riding with confidence every single day.